The Allegory of Poverty was painted for the first time by Adriaen Pietersz van de Venne, one of the most versatile artists of the Dutch Golden Age, around 1630, after he had relocated from Amsterdam to Hague. The artist, who was previously known for the history, landscape and portraiture genres, later focused on depicting satirical-allegorical genre scenes with a socially critical connotation, the main characters of which were the outcasts of society, i.e. cripples, tramps and beggars. In this painting, we see a blind cripple carrying a beggar woman and a crying baby on his shoulders, and led by an old dog tied to a chain. In the background, a farmhouse is evident, and a church steeple can be discerned in the woods. These symbolise a society where outcasts did not belong. Behind the blind man, a textile ribbon unfolds with the message, "It is poor feet that have to carry poverty." The picture was part of a two-part set, with the Allegory of Wealth depicting a wealthy couple walking in the same bare landscape. The full-fledged man is carrying a woman in fancy dress spilling money and wine, with objects scattered in front of them that allude to playing: rackets, balls, dice, a mask, board game box. In front of the hurrying man there is a textile ribbon that says, "It is strong legs that can carry wealth." In the background we see a castle, a cityscape, but also a bickering couple with a jumping dog, probably a reference to the subsequent picture dealing with poverty. The common message in the pair of paintings is the great role of chance and the volatility of happiness in people's lives. Today's winners may be tomorrow's losers, an idea that was very relevant in the Netherlands at the time the work was completed. More generally, it warns of the dangerous consequences of excessive laziness and frivolity. The pair of allegorical pictures was successful and was reproduced both inside and outside the artist's workshop. Interestingly, more reproductions of the Allegory of Poverty than of the Allegory of Wealth exist today. The painting in the Tartu Art Museum is one of them. The painting belonged to Maurits von Krudener in the 19th century and was located in his manor house in Uwe-Suislepa. The work arrived at the Tartu Art Museum in the early 1940s via Gustav Kangro's antique shop.